world, where the stress of organizing, storing, and setting up holiday decorations is a thing of Christmas past. That's what InMapz X offers. InMapz X changes the game in managing holiday decorations, making it efficient and hassle-free. Easily store and set up your entire decoration layout, pinpointing where each ornament, light, and display goes. It's not just a map. It's an interactive tool any employee can use to set up and put away holiday decorations every year. It allows you to quickly tag each item's storage location, placement, and update any changes in real time. No more confusion about where the festive wreaths are or where the LED reindeer are stored. Whether you're a small business or a large corporation, InMapz X ensures that your holiday setups are as joyful and magical as the season itself.